Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to braid my hair. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm really excited to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly braid my hair. Not so quickly because yeah, it's been a while I did a crochet braid style, so this time I decided to do like braiding my hair from scratch. So it took me about 4 hours to do that. And the exciting thing about this particular braid, as you can see, it's not the regular type of braid that I've been using. This particular braid is a human hair braid, so it's absolutely amazing. Like, you can braid it and keep it for a long time, and you can dye this hair if you want, because it's human hair. You can wash it, you know, do whatever you want to do with it because it's human hair. It's amazing. It's not like a regular synthetic braids. No, this is a human hair braid, and I like the way it looks. It's not so full. I think I used 3.5 packs to make it. I'm going to put the specs and everything that has to do with the hair in the description box below, and I'm going to show you guys everything in the video how I was able to make it. If you want like a more natural look, you can just get the color of your hair. If your hair is black, you get black, but I just wanted an ombre and I decided to get this color, and I really love it. And the great thing about the style is that you can style it in so many ways. You can wear it down, you can pack it, you can do whatever style you want to do with it. That's the amazing thing about this hair. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging of the hair look like. So this is the braid. I received 4 packs, but I ended up using 3.5. So the braid comes in 3 bundles in each pack, and you guys can see this is what a strand looks like. So in order to braid the hair, I'm just going to use 2 strands for one twist. So I went ahead and started braiding the back of my hair first. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how I braid it. So I take the 2 strands of braid, put it together, and then I use it to braid my hair. I do like a cornrow on the root of my hair. So I use my strand, the strand of my hair, as the third one that I used to make the cornrow, the braids on the root. Then I split it and then twist it like so in the video. So I just went ahead to twist the hair.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
After twisting it, I'm just gonna use my edge control to lay my edges. This is optional. After that, I will tie a scarf from the edges to let it dry for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf and then put the hair in order. And this is what it looks like, guys. Like, this hair is beautiful. I love the ombre color. It looks quite natural, actually. I really like the hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing and sharing, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for your support, and take care. Bye.